We are in one of my favorite places, Homosassa, Florida, and I'd like to show you some manatees underwater that I took with my new GoPro.
This time of the year, the weather in Homosassa Springs is perfect. It's the ideal place to observe manatee in the crystal clear spring water. Freebird is a little too large to get back in the small spring areas, so we bring our smaller Sea Ray runabout down so we can get back in the shallow water right up close with the manatee. John is taking Olivia and Maureen over to see a manatee that's out there. Just ahead of them, it's chowing down on some green seaweed here in Homosassa Springs. Breezy, cool, beautiful day. About 72 degrees, same temperature as the water.
Oh, I can get a nostril under there. He's coming by you, Holly. It's cool, huh? Oh, I got a good one. He's going over the kite, see him? I got him good.
Coming up a little bit. Oh yeah, he's coming up.
Oh, there he is. Right there. Cool, huh? Our own little manatee.
Yeah.
It's a little bit hard to see, but he's about 15 feet ahead of you right there. Here he comes up.
Oh, there he is.
Alright, gives you some GoPro action. You have to get back with the wind. So it's not too disturbing. There's two on green stuff.
I think I'll get this there. You can kind of see it. Oh, he's coming right up here. What? Did he take off?
Yeah. He's coming over this way. I can see him around me.
Did you see it?
Oh, yeah, I see him right now.
Right there?
Yeah, he's right under the thing around me right now. Oh my gosh, I see his back. Mhm. Yeah. You see?
He's right underneath Olivia.
I see him. I see his tail. I see the tail mark comes back. I think this is the same guy that was in the cove back there that me and Nathan saw with like a little car.
He's right over here?
Yeah, they came up.
We have much more to show you about Homosassa, Florida, the manatees, the restaurants, and places to stay in the future. But right now we're down here having a really great time, and we just wanted to put this short video out, and we'll do some more when we get home. Thank you for watching.